on surface, it's easy to see what is happening around you. It's easy to understand things that go wrong. But underground, if a machine does break down in a tunnel, in terms of communicating that to a specific level, to a specific place, it's quite difficult.
We at Sandvik in the business area of Sandvik Mining and Rock Technology develop equipment for mining operations. If we look at the traditional business model for Sandvik, it's been about selling equipment, selling parts, selling service to the customer.
Instead of just talking about equipment applications, we're really talking about process optimization, which is beyond just our equipment. It's about all aspects of the underground mine environment.
Optimine is our collection of digital tools for mining process optimization. It consists of operations management tools as well as then the newly developed analytics. Through running a predictive maintenance scheme, our customers have been able to reduce the impact of breakdowns to production losses in the tens of percentages.
IoT for us is all about getting real-time data. So down the line, you want a digital twin of your whole mining operation, of every individual in the mine, of every piece of equipment, and the status of every tunnel. Continually reporting the data allows you to actually find out the real root causes of problems and start doing predictive maintenance.
So I see the advantage being having a view at everything happening underground, being able to drive productivity in ways which is not the traditional ways, knowing what machine is loading where, what drill rig is drilling where, what meters have been drilled, and having that real-time information at our fingertips and being able to make decisions at the right point in time as well.
With Optimine Analytics, we have an extreme focus now on data and data-driven productivity, and it really is a mindset change within the organization.
Since implementing the software, the data allows us to run safer, and thirdly, in terms of productivity and operation, we see the productivity increasing significantly.
The thing with Optimine Analytics is that it becomes a management system for our customers. They use it every day, they use it every hour, they use it every minute. So it is fantastic to be a part of developing that smarter, safer, more efficient operation in the industry.